you how to use the repacking functionality. As you can see on the video, it will be display main put it like a things inside of a package or a box. For that, we can use here on Trackingpremium. You can go to the packages, manage packages. You can see all the packages that you have in your warehouse, and you can find some customer like this one, and you can select the packages that you want to put it inside of a box. There is some kind of finder. Like one of these is selecting here on this select elements, or the other one is you can scan it here. If you have the label on your package, you can come here and scan it, and the system will be selected automatically. And let's try with these 5 packages. Select the option warehouse receipt, repack in warehouse receipt. From here you can see that the system shows the cheaper consignee basic information, all the packages selected for repack, and in this part you can add the information of the final packages. For example, if you will use like a box that is 12 by 12 by 12 inches. Also, another important thing that is there is like the system calculate the sum of all the weight, because sometimes is even if you repacking, the volumes will be different, but the weight sometimes is the same. But they made the calculation, but you can edit here if you want. And at the end, you can select repack, and the system will generate a warehouse with all these 5 packages and may make some reference for them, but will be displayed as one packages at the end. It's a good functionality because you can see all the packages that was selected at the beginning, that with the result at the end.